Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your 28-day free English speaking course. This is day 22, and today we are answering one powerful question. How can you speak English fluently? If you feel stuck, if you understand English but cannot speak confidently, this lesson is for you. Let's begin. What fluency really means. Many learners think fluency means speaking very fast, never making grammar mistakes, sounding exactly like a native speaker. But that is not true. Fluency means speaking clearly, confidently, and naturally. If people understand you easily, you are fluent. Even native speakers make mistakes. Fluency is about communication, not perfection. Change your mindset. Stop saying, "I will speak when my grammar becomes perfect." Instead, say, "I will improve my grammar by speaking." Mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are training. The more you speak, the better you become. Step by step, plan to become fluent. Now let me give you a simple daily system. Listen for 30 minutes daily. Listen to English podcasts, interviews, YouTube conversations, audiobooks. Focus on pronunciation, intonation, natural rhythm. Good speakers are always good listeners first. Speak every day, minimum 15 minutes. Speak even if you are alone. You can describe your day. Talk about your goals. Explain what you learned. Speak in front of a mirror. Speaking daily builds muscle memory. English is a skill, not just knowledge. Learn 5 new words daily, but don't just memorize them. Use them in sentences. For example, word, confident. Sentence, I am becoming more confident in English every day. Use new words immediately. Read aloud for 10 to 15 minutes. Reading aloud improves pronunciation, speed control, sentence flow, confidence. This is one of the most powerful fluency exercises. Common mistakes to avoid overthinking grammar while speaking. Being afraid of your accent, waiting for the perfect time to start, not practicing consistently. Remember, consistency beats intensity. 10 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week. Practice in real life. Use English in real situations. Order food in English. Ask questions in English. Start small conversations. Join online speaking groups. Real-life practice builds real confidence. Build speaking confidence. Here are simple confidence tips. Practice in front of a mirror. Record your voice. Talk to supportive friends. Join discussion groups. Confidence grows when action grows. You cannot think your way to fluency. You must speak your way to fluency. Why listening is extremely important. Listening improves pronunciation, vocabulary, natural expressions, sentence structure. If you listen daily, your brain automatically copies natural patterns. That is how fluency develops. Let me remind you, every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Fluency is not magic. It is daily practice. If you follow this routine for 28 days, you will build strong speaking confidence. Keep going. Stay consistent. Speak without fear. See you in day 23. If this lesson helped you, like the video, comment, "Day 22 done," share with a friend, and subscribe for the next lesson. Full lesson available at EnglishHumanityUAPD.com.